anybody, no check. One dog. No. Two dogs, that's it. Does anybody here like dogs? Yeah, that's good. All right. This is for anybody that's a dog person. You don't have to ask. Anybody out here like dogs?
Let's get another margarita. Carry the team.
I know you like dogs.
All right, here we go. I cannot.
She never tells me that she's sick in this house. She never says, why don't you get off that couch? She don't cost me nothing when she wants to go out. I want you to love me like my dog does. She never says I need a new attitude. Her and my sister, they ain't always in a feud. When I leave the seat up, she don't think it's rude. I want you to love me like my dog does, baby. I want you to go crazy when I come home. She never looks at me and she might hate me. Well, I want you to love me like my dog. She don't care for my friend. She never asks me, where the hell have you been? She don't play dead when I want to pet her. I want you to love me like my dog does, honey. She never says, I wish you made more money. She never thinks that, oh, my finger's funny. Okay, always think funny. I want you to love me like my dog's a new song for me. She don't get mad at me when I throw a major fit. But I say her sister is a fucking bitch. I want you to love me like my dog does, baby. When I come home, I want you to just go crazy. She never looks at me like she might hate me. I want you to love me like my dog. I want you to love me like my dog does, baby. Thank you all very much.
Give it up for Larry Robinson. Love me like my dog. Awesome job. Way to come up here, Larry. Have a little laugh. That's what we're talking about. Benny, don't be shy. Get your request in. Let's have some fun like Thaddeus is about to do. Come on.